for easy cargo transportation during your snowmobile rides. Kimpex presents its new mounting base, Kimpex Connect. Carry all, carry on, carry out. Simple and practical, Kimpex Connect is the first universal lockable mounting base on the market. It requires no adapters for installation, and it fits most popular brands of snowmobiles. Its innovative anti-opening mechanism, combined with a safety strap, makes it resistant to vibrations and impacts. Once the hinges are closed, your cargo is safe for the ride. Its ingenious design makes it quick and easy to install a multitude of accessories, including the fuel tank holder, the versatile rack, and the adventure bag. Worry-free riding with everything you need. Kimpex Connect. Carry all, carry on, carry out.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.